Hi everyone, in this one I'll show you exactly how to use Qodo on VS Code. First, open the Extensions menu. On the left side of VS Code, you'll see the activity bar. Click the Extensions icon. Once you click it, the Extensions panel opens, showing your search bar at the top. Next, search for the Qodo extension. Click in that search bar and type Qodo. As you type, the results update, and you'll see the extension published by Qodo. It may also show up with the subtitle, formerly Codium AI. The listing might say Qodo, AI, Code Review, or Qodo Gen, but it's the right one. Now install it. Click the Install button next to the Qodo extension in the results. The installation usually takes 10 to 20 seconds depending on your connection speed. Once it's done, the Install button changes to show uninstall or a gear icon. After installation, you'll need to restart all extensions to activate Qodo. VS Code will typically prompt you to reload. If it does, click that. Otherwise, you can open the command palette and run the restart extensions command. You'll know it worked when the Qodo icon appears in the activity bar on the left side. Now click that Qodo icon to open the panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a login screen with sign-in options. You can sign in with GitHub, Google, or email pick, whichever one you prefer, and authenticate. Once you're signed in, the Qodo panel updates to show your current credit balance, the AI model you're using, and quick access to the main features. At this point, Qodo is fully set up and ready to use. The free tier gives you 250 credits per month, which is plenty for regular use. To generate tests, open the Qodo chat panel and type test. If you want to review uncommitted changes, use the Review Uncommitted command, and Qodo will analyze all your changes and give you structured feedback. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.